Well, hello fragrance fam, my name is Katie and I'm back in the AFI project lab today to make some fragrant additions to my bath time routine. I'll be showing y'all how to put together some bath salt test tubes that look really pretty and smell great. Featuring our very own Love Spell fragrance, they're easy and great for Valentine's Day. Here, let me show y'all. Alright, so what makes these bath salts so special? These little test tube bottles. The final product looks like little vials of actual love potion. Let's get them filled up. Start off with your salt of choice. I recommend Epsom salt, pink Himalayan salt, or Dead Sea salt. I'm going to use a combination of Epsom salt and coarse pink Himalayan salt for mine. The only thing that you'll need is fragrance. Here's a bottle of love potion all measured out. It's sweet and mysterious, which makes it perfect for Valentine's Day product drops or anything that you want to make romantic. Send each of your salts with the fragrance oil, keeping the IFRA limits of bath products in mind. I got 6 ounces of both my salts, so I'll add 0.3 ounces of fragrance to each of them. Stir the fragrance into the salts, being sure to evenly coat them with the oil. Believe it or not, that's all it takes. From here, you just need to fill up your test tubes with layering colors of salt. To add an extra romantic touch to the vial, scoop a couple of dried rose petals between each layer of salt. The rose petals will float around in the bath while the salt soothes the aching muscles and elevates your bath time experience. Once you've filled the salt to the top, screw the cap back on and you're finished. Add a custom brand label and you've got something new and unique to sell this season. Try these out using different salt types, fragrances, and botanical additives like dried petals, milk powders, and more. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and head on over to our socials to get connected with our AFI team. We really appreciate your support of our channel, so be sure to like and subscribe to join the fragrance fam if you haven't already. That's it for today's video, and I'll sign off for now until the next one. See y'all!